In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account, okay? The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram application, this one here. Then, click on the profile picture on the far right at the bottom. And guys, if you find this video useful, kindly remember to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this, okay? Then click on the hamburger sign, these three bars at the top. Click on Account Center at the top. Then you want to click on Personal Details. Then click on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose the Instagram account. Here you will see Facebook and Instagram accounts, but we are interested in Instagram account. So just click on the Instagram account. Okay, here you will be provided with the two options, deactivation and deletion, but we are interested in deleting the account. So we'll choose this one for deleting. Then click continue. Okay, Instagram will need you to provide a reason why you are deleting your account. Okay, so you want to provide them with a reason. Give them any reason. Okay, just say too busy or too distracting. Then click continue. Then click continue once again. Then you'll be asked to create a password before deleting the Instagram account. Just click continue. Then enter your password. By doing this, you'll be able to delete your Instagram account. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.